Hi, hello everyone. Once again, I'm here with Seco English Day 4. आज हमारा Seco English का Day 4 है. In earlier we have explained that all the thing that about tenses, that how many forms are there of tenses. Three forms is there. It is non-pure one, present, past, and future. In which later on I have described about that verbs also, that kinds of verb, auxiliary verb and main verb. Then auxiliary verb we have further, it has been categorized into two parts, that primary auxiliary verb and modal auxiliary verb. Later on in main verb also we have discussed that other thing, that regular main verb, irregular main verb, what does comes under these other thing I have discussed so that other thing. Now I'm just going to explain here each and everything in details. For example, at first I have told you that I'll teach you that simple present or present tense. Okay, present tense I have present tense. इट्स वेरी इजी टू स्पीक इंग्लिश. इंग्लिश बोलना बहुत आसान काम है, बस आप डेडिकेट होकर आप क्लास कर लो. प्रेजेंट टेंस इन विच आई हैव टोल्ड यू दैट आई विल टीच यू फोर पार्ट हियर. यस, व्हाट इज दैट? सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस, then present continuous tense, then we have present perfect, and here present perfect continuous PPC. Okay, now see, simple present we also say present indefinite, इसको हम indefinite भी कहते हैं. Okay, now see, so simple present is here simple present tense. Simple present tense we have, so identification of that, it will be ta hai, ti hai, te hai, that was the thing, but it's common thing. Okay, so identification, id when I write it, it means identification. Ta hai, ti hai, te hai. This is the identification. etc. etc exact meaning of etc, it should be etc. इसे बहुत कोई एक्सेट्रा कहते हैं, एग्जेक्ट्रा कहते हैं, बट इट इज नॉट. etc स्टैंड फॉर एटसेट्रा, एटसेट्रा इट इज, दैट स्टैंड फॉर एटसेट्रा. इसे आप एटसेट्रा पढ़ते हैं etc को. बहुत कोई ऐसे रॉन्ग पढ़ते हैं, दे स्पेल एग्जेक्ट्रा एक्सेट्रा. एक्चुअली दे डोंट नो एग्जैक्ट मीनिंग ऑफ दैट, कि इसका मीनिंग क्या होता है, दे डोंट नो, दैट्स व्हाई दे आर स्पीकिंग रॉन्ग. वो रॉन्ग बोलते हैं. तो आप करेक्टिंग बोलो, आप एटसेट्रा बोलना, एटसेट्रा एटसेट्रा. Yes. Now its a structure is also there. A structure. A structure, subject plus verb one oblique verb five plus object. Now see, verb one and verb five. We have two verb form is there. Verb one and verb five, having both the same name. वो दोनों का same name है. For example, we have verb five form. Verb one, verb two, verb one, verb two, verb three, verb four, and verb five. Verb one, its name is simple present. Verb two, its name is simple past. Verb three, its name is past participle. And verb form, its name is present participle. And verb five, its name is simple present. Now see, this is also simple present and verb five is also simple present. Then what is the difference between that both the thing? First thing is that verb one, if I write here for example read. Yes, read means padhna, and verb five it will be reads. So both are सिंपल प्रेजेंट. इसका नाम भी हम सिंपल प्रेजेंट ही कहते हैं, सिंपल प्रेजेंट, एंड इट्स नेम इज आल्सो वी कॉल इट सिंपल प्रेजेंट. नाउ व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस? डिफरेंस क्या है सर? द डिफरेंस इज इट्स फॉर्म. इसके फॉर्म में डिफरेंस है. दिस इज हियर प्लूरल फॉर्म. व्हाट इज इट? प्लूरल फॉर्म. एंड हियर इट इज सिंगुलर फॉर्म. नाउ सी, क्वाइट डिफरेंट इज. नाउ सी, देखिए आराम से समझना, बिकॉज़ रीड्स इज देयर. Actually, in visibility, when you see it, we think that this is plural form. Why? Sir, there is s, but that is incorrect. वो incorrect है. This is singular form only. Singular form verbs takes s or es in verb form. Verb 5 में singular form जो होता है वो s या तो es लेता है. But plural form that remains same or unchanged. But noun follow the opposite rule. Noun is just opposite to it. Why? For example, cat. Cat is noun. If I write it plural, it will be cats. If I write there dog, its plural form will be dogs. Now verb is just opposite to it. Example, if I write here drink, its singular form will be drinks. Drink is plural form and drinks s, that is singular form. So that is the difference कि सर इसका भी नाम सिंपल प्रेजेंट, इसका भी नाम सिंपल प्रेजेंट. हाँ, अब इसे मैं प्रूव करता हूँ. Why it is simple, why it is plural, and why it is singular. For example, verb 5. Where do you place verb 5? We place verb 5 with he, she, it, or are named. Yes. Here we place what? Here we place verb 5. Now see, he is singular or plural? He is singular subject. She is also singular subject. इट इज ऑल्सो सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट, आने में दोस्तों सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट, सो डेफिनेटली सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट है, सिंगुलर वर्ब, सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट जो होता है वो सिंगुलर वर्ब देता है। तो दैट सिंपल present tense, when I write here verb 1 or verb 5, you have to understood that thing, that why sir is writing that one. Now because it that verb 1 and verb 5, verb 1 is following the plural form and verb 5 is following the singular form. So singular, these are singular form, and in plural form I, we, you and they, or more than our name. Now second thing is that कि sir one जो है I है that refers to one person. Yes, I mean मैं होता है and I is singular. Yes, since I is singular even it is kept in plural category. I जो है singular है फिर भी इसे plural category में ही रखा गया है. So whenever you get I, do not get confused about it कि सर ये I जो है वो singular form का verb है, sorry singular subject है. Why don't we use here singular verb? That is if I say I read, तो यहाँ पे हम I read लिखते हैं. Why don't we write I reads? Is that I is singular, then why don't we write singular verb reads incorrectly? Now why? Because I is definitely singular, but we keep it in plural subject. Okay, so this is the structure and definition. Now I write here example. अब मैं यहाँ पे example लिख रहा हूँ. Look, for example, if I say that वह स्कूल में पढ़ाता है, वह स्कूल में पढ़ाता है, then what is that? He is what? Singular or plural subject? He is singular subject. He is singular subject. So it will take what? Singular verb or plural verb? It will take plural verb. Plural verb is what? Verb 5. Sorry, singular verb is what? Singular verb is take. He is singular subject, so he will take singular subject. Singular verb, that means he teaches in the school. वह स्कूल में पढ़ाता है. अभी बात करो, हम लोग सेम थिंग स्कूल में पढ़ते हैं, स्कूल में पढ़ते हैं. Now these both the tense it is in simple present tense. Now why it is? Because sir it is ending with ta hai, with addification of that. Te hain, here it is te hain. So these are in simple present tense. Now here हम लोग that is singular subject plus plural subject, definitely sir हम लोग एक से ज्यादा लोग हैं, that means definitely it is plural subject. Then we will take plural verb. And what is the plural verb of पढ़ते read? So it will be read only, because read is already plural. Don't say that sir if we add there as then it will be plural. Of course not. Plural form is read only, not as. We read in the school. Yes. So this is about it. Now second thing about simple present tense, the fact, which is fact, जो fact है, जो truth है, that always treated in simple present tense. For example, ice freezes at water freezes at 0 डिग्री सेल्सियस. पानी जो है 0 डिग्री सेल्सियस पे क्या होती है? फ्रीज कर जाती है, जम जाती है. तो अगर कोई बोले आपसे कि सर बर्फ जो है ना, वाटर जो है ना, पानी 0 डिग्री सेल्सियस पे जम रही है, पानी 0 डिग्री सेल्सियस पे जम रही है, दैट इज इनकरेक्ट. ऐसा नहीं है. क्यों? क्योंकि आज पहली बार ऐसा नहीं हुआ, पहली दफा ऐसा नहीं है दैट वाटर आज ही पहली बार जम रही है. इट रिमेन्स ऑलवेज सेम थिंग कि सर जब से ये यूनिवर्स की फॉर्मेशन हुई है, सिंस दैट टाइम ओनली वाटर फ्रीजेज एट 0 डिग्री सेल्सियस. तो ये ट्रूथ है, ये फैक्ट है. सो ऑल द फैक्ट, ऑल द ट्रूथ that always stated in simple present tense. For example, if I give you more examples, if I tell you that sun is rising in the east, sun is rising in the east. अगर मैं बात करूँ यहाँ पे sun is rising in the east, the sun is rising in the east. इस सूरज जो है पूरब से उग रही है. तो क्या ये सही है? Of course not. ये बिल्कुल रॉन्ग है. कभी आप बोलते हो ऐसा कि सूरज पूरब से उदय हो रही है? नहीं, क्योंकि रॉन्ग है. आज पहले दफा थोड़ी कि सूरज आज उदय हो रही हो, तो हमेशा पूरब से निकलती है. कभी ऐसा थोड़ी कि पश्चिम से सूरज आज निकल रही है, अचानक अजूबा हो गया. दैट्स नॉट गोइंग टू बी. ऐसा नहीं होता है. हाँ, द करेक्ट थिंग इज व्हाट? क्या होगा सर? सूरज पूरब से उदय होती है. सूरज पूरब से उदय होती है या सूरज पूरब से निकलता है? सूरज पूरब से निकलता है, then what is the correct thing? The sun rises in the east. This is also fact. Now for example, if I tell you wood floats on water. wood क्या होता है? लकड़ी क्या होते हैं? पानी पे तैरती है. For example, water boils at 100 degree temperature. water क्या होता है? When temperature goes up 100 degree, it start boiling. तो आप ऐसा ना बोलो कि पानी जो है 100 डिग्री सेल्सियस पे गर्म हो रही है. दैट इज इनकरेक्ट. पानी और बॉयल हो रही है. पानी 100 डिग्री टेम्परेचर पर ही बॉयल होती है. दैट इज द फैक्ट. द थिंग इज दैट अबाउट सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस. दैट ऑल. थैंक यू. Take on that other thing. I'll meet you in the next class. That is day 4. Thank you. Have a good day.